Hi, it's Jan Diatri, and today it's all about the corned beef. It only gets attention on St. Patty's Day, and that's too bad because corned beef and cabbage is fabulous anytime. Here's what you'll need: a corned beef brisket and the veggies. Cabbage, of course, cut into quarters, carrots peeled and cut up, and small red potatoes. You'll want some spices too. There's a spice packet that comes with the corned beef, and you can add even more flavor with more spices. In a large pot, place your corned beef. Then add the spice packet plus some bay leaves, a few cloves, and peppercorns. Then some garlic and 1 large yellow onion. Add enough water to completely cover the corned beef and cook until tender. In another pot, add the cabbage, potatoes, and the carrots, and then your water, and cook for about 10 minutes or until the veggies are fork tender. Now it's time to serve. Slice up the corned beef, add your veggies all around, add a little drizzle of olive oil, and serve yourself a nice St. Patty's Day portion of corned beef and cabbage. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.